Hi, welcome to Echinobase. The newest version of the Strongylocentratus purpuratus genome, version 5.0, is here and is a significant improvement over previous versions. You can find a gene of interest directly from the search bar. Search gene name or symbol or XM or XP numbers. Or you can use the original SPU identifiers. Autofill can provide options to help identify the gene of interest. From the gene page, you have access to all of the database content. As for naming, here you can see the gene symbol, a short, concise identifier, the gene name, a longer and more descriptive name. The symbol and name conform to the Human Genome Organization Gene Nomenclature Committee, the HGNC guidelines, as closely as possible. The HGNC sets the standards for human gene nomenclature and approves a unique and meaningful name for every known human gene. Note that status is indicated next to names and symbols as curated, partially curated, or provisional. The curated status of gene symbols and names is assigned when the protein sequence coded for by the human gene model has orthology determined using multiple tools to the S. purpuratus protein sequence. Partially curated status indicates that the gene symbols and names have been manually considered. Provisional status of the symbols and names indicates that they are automatically generated by the NCBI pipeline. Some genes still have the NCBI lock number assigned as the gene symbol, which means that we have not as yet assigned a gene symbol through orthology. The lock IDs are unique identifiers that we will be curating to provide more descriptive identifiers, and then the lock ID would become a synonym and can be searched. This work is still in progress. Synonyms are the place to look for all past identifiers of the gene models, including historical IDs, descriptive IDs, SPU IDs, and lock IDs, if the species-specific symbol has been updated. The synonyms are included in searches, so if you have an SPU ID, you can find the 5.0 gene model. 92% of all SPU IDs have mapped directly to new 5.0 gene models. There are cases where many SPU IDs are now collapsed to one 5.0 gene model. For instances of one SPU ID mapping to multiple 5.0 gene models, we are working on identifying these. If you encounter an example, please contact us.